What's going on, everybody? Gary here from Jeep for BC. Today we're going to be cleaning the Jeep. It's actually been a while since it's been washed, as you guys can see here. And I'm also going to be cleaning the interior. Going to get ready to do some modifications in the future for it. But the first thing we're going to do is clean it up. So let's go to the car wash. All right, before we clean the engine bay, actually, I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. I did drive it, so let it cool off a little bit, and then I'll start cleaning it. But for now, I'm just gonna start getting the interior a little bit clean, and then we'll go from there. All right. We got some bottles under here. I think that's for Duncan, for when they're using it. Tire shine. Oh, I'm gonna need that. Thanks, Callum. This last fit, honestly, last fit. Shout out. This has gone through a lot. As you can see, a lot of dirt. So, just gonna get it all up. Okay, we got this one here. Ooh. All right. Got some power steering fluid. I think that's good. Anything else under here? Oh, yep, trash. Trash. More trash. Water bottle. Keep everything all open for now, just to air out the Jeep. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. Hopefully I can still open this, because this latch here hasn't been working. That's why we have this makeshift strap here. So we'll open it up, get this going. Let's see here. Okay, it's not bad. Okay. Still need to get this all cleaned up, but can't do that right now. Let's see. Boom. All right, gotta replace this one. Gotta buy a new windshield wiper. I think this is my sister's. Put that on the side here. Got some more stuff here. Just put it out here. Clean it up. I'll put this on the side. I will be buying new windshield wipers on the Jeep. Oh, more water. Got these stuff here. Perfect for jam. Oh, awesome. Got some antifreeze coolant. Cool. This is my garbage bag, my trasharoo. Just try to get all these out. This one is supposed to go in the front there. I still got to figure out how to stick it, but that's the idea. Trying to get it all installed again, but for now, I'll leave it out here. Get this out here. Get this all cleaned up as well. All right. What's underneath here? Oh, this is for my winch. Ooh, my hatchet's here. Okay, cool. Some wet wipes. Probably gonna use that. Just put that on the side. More trash. Some move it out here. Okay, this is a strap for my trasheroo. I'm just gonna put that on the ground here. I'm assuming this is Callum's watch thingy. So for a little bit there, since the stereo hasn't been working and we're gonna be installing a new stereo soon, I was just using this as a stereo. Usually the driver's side is always the one that's a little bit dirtier. So yeah, we're still gonna take this out and clean it. Just spraying it with the degreaser. Spray and wash degreaser thing. It's a bit dirtier than the other one, so just gonna get all the dirt out, and now we're gonna speed it up. All right, I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna rinse it out right after. I'm just gonna get it all dried up, but you guys can see right there, those are metal stains. It's hard to take out, but at least we got most of the things all removed. Like these ones are all metal. It's gonna be hard for me to clean those out, but I mean, not too bad. Got most of the dirt out of the rubber mat here, so not bad. Okay, just gonna let it dry the rest of the day, overnight most likely. It's getting a little later on the day. Next one that I'm gonna be doing is I'm thinking of tackling the actual engine bay. So I'm gonna do the same process. I'll soak it a little bit, and then I'll start spraying it with spray and wash, which is the gunk remover, and then I think that's the way to go for it. So let's get this started. Okay, I thought I just totally put the hood all the way back so I can actually have a little bit more room to play around. So I'm just gonna move this all the way to the back here. There you go. All right, so covered the alternator and then the battery and the fuses that's here. Just gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna spray it with the spray, and then I'm gonna rinse it again. I think while we're at it, I'm gonna spray this guy as well too. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Just gonna rinse it again. All right, just gonna help wipe it down a little bit more just to help dry. And I'm gonna start the vehicle for it to actually just dry itself out, but I thought I'd just clean it up a little bit here. All right, I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit longer just to get everything all warmed up and dried before I stop. Also, I'm probably gonna keep the hood like this for a little bit just because it still needs to dry, and then once that's ready, we're good to go. Put the cover back. I know it's still kind of not perfectly clean, but I mean, at least it's not as dusty as it was before. I mean, it's a lot cleaner for sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna close it. I'll let the Jeep run for a little bit longer, and then let it dry out, and I think we're good to go. I mean, I put the shield, so it shouldn't affect the alternator at all, but yeah, I think we're good. It's about 8 p.m. now. I don't think I'll have enough time to vacuum the interior the way I want to, so I'm just gonna do that tomorrow. Yeah, happy that it's all cleaned up so far. I think we're about like 75%, so just need to vacuum the carpet and everything else. I'm still not 100% sure on how I'm gonna be cleaning the roof part. So if you guys have any tips on how to clean the roof of the Jeep there, it's kind of dirty, you know, comment down below on how to get rid of it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
All right, it's the next day. Today we're gonna be detailing and cleaning the interior, so we're gonna be vacuuming it. But before that, let's go check out the floor mats just to make sure that it's clean. I just did the driver and the passenger and the back seat one. I think I'm just gonna leave the rear, just leave it as is. I think it's fine. Yeah, but yeah, got this one going. Now to go vacuum the interior. All right, just sprayed the area here with my all-purpose just to get the grime and the dirt out of here. So I'm just kind of cleaning it up on this area just to make sure that all these pieces are all clean. Okay, so these ones are clean right now. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, I'm assuming they probably had an amp here for some reason. That's what I'm assuming. And I think that's what's connected over in the front there in the head unit. So I'm just gonna clean this area out. It's been a while since I cleaned this place out. So yeah, let's get on to it. All right, before I go further, I'm just gonna clean the inside of this one. All right, just sprayed it down. I'm just gonna wipe it out. That all-purpose spray. Just cleaning it. Honestly, I haven't cleaned this part at all since I've owned it, so it's actually not too bad. It's dirty, yes, but it's not too bad. All right, man, look at that. It's a lot cleaner. I mean, that's the best I can do. Some are just, you know, some are just really just dirty and dusty. So I'm just gonna wipe out more of these stuff. But actually, guys, like I have all these other gunky ones on the roof. If you guys see here, like all these gunky looking thing on the roof. If you guys have any tips on how to clean that? Should I just use my multi-purpose as well? Let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on vacuuming the back and just gonna finish wiping out more of the stuff here. Vacuumed as much as I could. If you guys can see, there's still some hair. My vacuum's not the best, so did my best. Got it all out, wiped out all this area here, vacuumed everything here. Now we're just gonna go to the passenger side and vacuum that as well, and then wipe down the rest of the other stuff. And I think we're almost done. I didn't show it on the driver's side, but I did do the same thing on the driver's side as well. Did my best even here. Actually, the passenger side isn't too bad. There is still fur and hair that I just can't, you know, really pick up. The same thing over here. But yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it down with all-purpose and should be good to go. So this is how it looks like without the all-purpose, and this is how it looks like with the all-purpose wipe. Just wiped it out. Everything is all clean. All the gunk and stuff are all gone. Just tons of hair and all that stuff, but everything else is all clean. Wiped everything out here. I'm also gonna put Armor All as well too, just to, you know, give that little shine going. Unfortunately, no Armor All. Won't be able to wipe down the full thing, but I'm just gonna do that some other time. I mean, that's more for a finish anyways, but everything is all clean. That's the important thing. Now I'm just gonna clean the wheels and then put back the floor mats as well too. So I'm just gonna keep that going for 30 seconds and stop. I'm just gonna wipe it down with my cloth. Definitely the Jeep rims, these SES has seen better days, but I mean, I used it specifically for off-roading during that time. All right. And then I'm just gonna rinse it. All right, all 4 of the wheels have been cleaned. So while I'm waiting for it to dry out so I can put the tire shine, I'm just gonna put the floor mats back inside. Now that the wheels are all dried up, I'm just gonna put some tire shine and I think we're good for the tires. And then I'm just gonna clean the windows and then we're good to go. Okay, tire shine is all on all 4 of the tires. I'm just gonna work on the window. finally done. Took a couple of days, but I had to do it during work time, but looking pretty good. Got the windows clean, got all of the stuff done. Yep. Yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna replace the windshield wipers, but everything else is clean. We're good to go. I mean, there's some spots that are still kind of not there, but we're looking good. We are looking good. Yes, sir. So fresh and so clean. Just a little bit of video of the interior. We're clean. Floor mats are clean. Inside, all done. Put the stuff back there, all clean. And then for the next video, it's gonna be that guy right there. We just installed this new stereo from Top Display, and that's gonna be the next video. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. Finally got the Jeep cleaned and detailed as much as I could, actually. I wish I had more stuff that I could use to clean the vehicle, but it is what it is. Kind of just, you know, did as much as I could with what I have. I know it's not a typical video that I always produce, but I thought it'd be good to finally clean the Jeep and get it ready for the time that we replace the cam phaser and the cam phaser actuator, and also the timing chain. Come here, Duncan. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. We're gonna sign out. Until next time, like always, stay awesome, everybody.